Hey friends, if you wish to add a live wallpaper on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, there is no option for live wallpaper on Windows, but here's what you can do. You can use a third-party app. So search for Store, go to Microsoft Store, and then search for live wallpaper and hit enter. So this lively wallpaper app has a better rating, so I will use this and then click on install. Okay, we'll wait till it gets installed. Once it is installed, you can click on open to open the lively wallpaper app, and then you can pick any of these wallpapers. Now see what happens. This is also an excellent one. I'll tell you interesting thing about it. This moves along with the mouse pointer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.